Court is a Broni yere. Akosua Serwaa nso yere na Akosua Serwaa lawful attending na dance body nyina anya papa the papa ne abusu panyin ne Priscilla the na papa. And you know, sitting here, a lot of calls I'm having from abroad, lawyers calling me to find out what is happening locally. Everybody. Until I just spoke to my client who said we should appeal against the decision, and I agree with her. I will prosecute and appeal.
Abusia so yo bi a wodi wani edida de lumba na yiyo ye ba so no ne sensim nyina achia otimu se na kuna yo no akwakwaya ade akwakwaya manso nti ekokopie mu e wo court na no fiade e na judgment no e ba abonte na abusia video bi e trend e wo media no so ya wodo Broni ete wona ye hwe champagne e de egu ne so eno e na Ghana fo e kire se nyame e de wodo Broni asemo ma no so no de won ka bi hwe mu wote ne ba bi e di ne nkui e na e ma no so tesere de ne kopie mu e wo court kire se no oni wo kwan se wo ba na obeye kuna edema dad lumba ntika be yanka court ensi ni kwan se beye na wontimi emma meye kuna emfa madad lumba na enkoye Akosua Serwaa nko a wono e na legally no ko ye yire na ono penso e na wasa right ne se obetimi aye kuna e de madad lumba na so asenie no ekọ awieye na odo Broni ene maami Akosua Serwaa nyina judge no e kire se wo nyina enko na wo nkonko ye kuna ntie ne abusua odo Broni na akwakoye enigisam e de ama na odo Broni eji nani no na lawyer kusi ya wono eye team legal wife for lawyer na wo sign gina mu e de ma me Akosua Serwaa so e kire se judgment na ba bonte ne de enya ade se wo biditumu ne e sign editumu na enu nti no wo mo beko akwakoye appeal na busua ye beko akohwe wodo Broni abra ye tu nsa digu ne so e hira ne se wodi nkuni na fe ye wi a lawyer no so ne appeal a wo kontremu a wo de baaye no yakwa kote na ye ko ne mesre se ye de sa akonya no ebe mi subscribers ne so e too much gh ya no akai so de bra no beka ho sa no upload ne to pro ne first person ya wo sabedi kan ka buzamen sa wo bredo ma yenko e ne yenko se ne odo Broni esi jubilate ya bra judgment no eba bonten. Entabusia empelifo se obi dwan ewo na obi nkwan mu so ayede sabre wodo Broni nkwan mu ayede na lawyer kusi ene ne legal team nyina emo kire se wo mo sign akọ appeal officer judgment na aba ama ebi etu champagne di guom ho no wo de wo mo judge no enya adwene
team legal mo she ho
omo she ho pa
obi nkuni mama wo mu judge na start nya o se no kure ba akope enti no kure na beda di. It's just a matter of time. And court to form year Juma idea. I record time. The less than 2 weeks a decade back when it's unprecedented, and that is an achievement. About judgment in a court no man. The court no can. Oban to find and say apai. Says
draw.
Court is a odo Broni yere. Akosua Serwaa nso yere na awade type omo ware no Akosua Serwaa de no. When me improve say wa ware Germany. If I can something very important say Germany awade and the krata na prove. And to be glad na no ka say wa ware Germany enough. This is a krata. Your krata nso the buy or the way to so enye. If you say Akosua Serwaa ne lumba signature ni so enti enye and or say the most scandalous of his statement is say yen onim de ekoso yakoye papers bi ne de abase a certificate which was impugning on our integrity as lawyers. To me, scandalous. You see, so Osan can say Adansia a year Akosua Serwaa lawful attending Adansi body nyina anya papa de papa ne abusu panyin ne Priscilla de na papa meanwhile Priscilla ko wa monkro Osan make finding in favor of Priscilla say Priscilla nkru na wa amon na asem no otuoba nkra e modu sin ye dance for in some kind. And to technically, our boy asked him, name kuna ni domina anko e osande to so mu nyina anko ekuna aye order service and support from no mko ekuna. And that's the decision of the court. In fact, lawyers we must respect the decision even though we disagree vehemently because a lot of things she said we can't agree to. And you know, sitting here, a lot of calls I'm having from abroad, lawyers calling me to find out what is happening locally, everybody. And you see, I'm a learned person. I can't align myself with decisions which are scandalous and I cannot defend. And I just spoke to my client who said we should appeal against the decision. And I agree with her. I will prosecute and appeal. And like I just said, no kore back, no kore be no kore be when we have gone upstairs. There will be our supporting be us. Now, I'm probably about to your bona Zaka judgment now. 70 pages, right? 76.
76, yeah.
Exactly. You're back in Kenya.
It's a Monday now.
What it is. The honor.
Bebrina boto, especially Ghana for amwa amanone. Na meka say we start case we Bebrina fra they have similar issues. That is say we president akabe tumi aboa. Ama ebinumu a sebi oni omukunu abre. Bibi nti sabre bitumi be shame na chese obese o mawari e basa but nia otemboafo no judgment o de man no any nsem ma obobo so ewo in no betumi a highlight kakra de man especially wo cross examination response ebi mu de man ye o gidi say sa response say scrutinize o can be say it's an extract from a family value book now the buy no by because of her extract interest say e be a Ghana embassy ni ade endorse ni na and no sa we now kind sa netie by be or no because they also can say that one is not probably part of the judgment but can say wa from wiki course no ni ma o man for afre obi wo your friend saying a Germany ho no ni near course but on person be kan wa ha
exactly
into no is it trying to assert say be to just to impugn your own how do you call it evidence modikoye
that's not my integrity in evidence bra it was suggest you say I come manufacture document near there but that na make sense it was unfortunate because I can cross my heart the document is genuine, it's from Germany, you see, and we also wrote to the German, you see the point of certification, no
okay.
In section 161 of the Evidence Act, one of the means you verify a foreign document and say, would they be called Corona Frusun Embassy, no matter certified. So now they are about to be dancing. And here will be so there's a strong presumption of genuineness of the document, unless there is suspicions and all that.
Okay.
So, and over here, 1613, so I can't say time in where to be verifying the idea. Courts will be fun to say genuine move on. Because look, it's not only the document. In our evidence, ye bon chrono. I press la na dance in say no me aware say lumba aware about you. And these are based of evidence that should have supported the certificate. Press la now. Also no one him say am lumba trance. Ebusua trance ko fa ba lumba ba so mbisa no. Am say ampa no wajai. And maybe say na or the certificate you say there be. And the which side should the presumption go in favor of this document? What does it? But she has, you know, judgments are opinions of the judges. And on one opinion, you have to abide by it. Until I say no, I could change it. So that's what we intend to do.
So based on say what can say, Mamuni na nkudi kuna, it doesn't mean say evidence or do need to buy say our call so Kofioni adina any admitted say indeed say that didn't buy no hwade ento your yere.
Entabusia senya nsɛm na se atwa go no ne akwakohwa aba na Ghana fo kyerɛ sɛ Broni nyame na akoneko de ama ne fisa no de na wɔte ne baabi anko no no wɔnyɛ na adwene sɛ wɔkɔ akwakopie mu wɔ court obi na tam no de ne kopie mu wɔ court nti no de ne nyame ɛwɔ sɛ wɔyɛ ma no ɛno na wayɛ ama no amene di nkuni bebi so kyerɛ sɛ appeal na wɔn ɛkɔ no wɔn sɛ nokorɛ wɔn wɔ right sɛ wɔn bɛkɔ na so evidence a wɔn dan na di ɛwɔ Kumasi High Court ya judge ne gyina so na wɔde bu asɛm no sa evidence kro na ɛna wɔn san ɛde akɔkɔpie mu ɛwɔ appeal court wɔn ti ɛdeɛn ɛna ɛkyerɛ sɛ appeal no so wɔn kɔ a wɔn bɛdi nkunim na so ne nyinaa no Ghana fo bi ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ wɔn right ɛdo ti ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn sɔhwɛ busua sɛ wɔn bɛdi nkunim sɛ wɔn ɛndi nkunim yɛ bɛpie mu aba no yɛ bɛsan ɛde aba abɛso mɛsrɛ sɛ wɔbɛgye wagye kyerɛ ɛwɔ comment section hɔ ɛde ama me all the social media handles no ɛyɛ too much GH. Or subscribe, like, and share, and before so in the Biashimidi at the dark gold macro.